What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about business cards, using business cards in your business, right, to trump up business, right, to get more business for your business, okay? I'm going to talk about it, particularly where the SMS phone leads voice prospecting system is concerned, because it sort of, if you haven't thought about it, it sort of might add a new dimension to the way you look at your market and the way that you want to position yourself in front of the potential people, the potential customers and prospects, new customers and prospects that you want to introduce your business to. Okay, so we're going to talk about, think of it as a simple automated prospecting, okay, in conjunction, using the SMS phone leads voice prospecting, that virtual phone number in your business. Okay, so the video is twofold, because I told you guys, number one, I was going to use business cards. One of the things I was going to do was use business cards to put my SMS phone leads on to the business card, and then just drop them off, hand them, give them to people, whatever. You know what I'm saying? It's just a cool way to market. But also I talked to you guys about branding, right, and branding yourself. And in a video I think I did just yesterday, I talked about different ways to roll your particular brand out, by using business cards and posters and flyers and at that time on that video, I was actually on another site, because I was looking at some business cards and I was looking at some t-shirts, because t-shirts are one of the things that I'm going to also be getting for my Dialing for Dollars for that YouTube video. You guys know what I'm doing there. So when I remember Vistaprint, guys. Vistaprint is a great place to go, not just for business cards, right? Not just for being able to go get 500 business cards for $12 and some odd change with your SMS phone leads number on it. But it's a great way to go for promotional products, right? This is a great way to go out and promote your business. Now, when you think about your business, right? Again, always think about the level of creativity that's afforded you because it's your business. So what that means is there's no ceiling, right? There are no limitations to the way that you can go out and promote and market your business, to promote and market yourself, to brand yourself, right? So, think of these videos that I do, guys, as me just planting little seeds, right, of creativity in your mind, right? Because that's what entrepreneurs do. That's what we do, right? That's what business people do. They're always looking at new, innovative, creative ways to get the word out, right? It's going to drum up more business, right? To get more leads, to get more traffic, to get more potential clients, more customers, right? To connect with more people. That's all it is. And guess what, guys? Here's the cool thing about this, right? When we're talking about, I'm going to talk a little more about the promotion thing. But when we talk about getting that exposure for our business, I don't care if it's restaurants, barbershops, beauty salons, dollar stores, real estate, lawyers, cleaning business, boom, we can go on and on and on and on and on, right? You can use the SMS phone lead system and that virtual phone number to promote any or all those business, right? To get more clients and customers for any of those businesses that I just named, right? And all the ones I didn't. Okay, so that's enough of that, guys. Let's talk about this, because tonight they got a special going on Vistaprint, right? It's going to end tonight, guys, so I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, but just know that Vistaprint is always doing these specials, guys. They're probably one of the most cost-effective places you can go for business cards and all types of other promotional products that I can think of, and I don't know why I didn't think of it before. But anyway, I'm going to order these business cards tonight. But that sale, by the way, it ends tonight at 11:59. What kind of time is that to put on an ending? I don't know. I guess they're saying like before 12 tonight. Anyway, I'm going to order them as soon as I get off of this video. But I wanted to do this video because I got excited about it. And so I'm doing it. But look, guys, check this out. I was in the business cards, right? I was in the business cards. So I was in the business cards one day. I did some business cards, guys. The last time I did business cards, guys, I had went and bought myself a domain name over at GoDaddy, right? and I put the, I bought the domain name and I used that domain name on the business card. Now, it worked. It was fine, right? But the only thing is the print was so small, guys. It looked bigger than it was when I actually got the business cards, right? And so I was giving them to people. Got a few people respond to it. I think I got 500 of them. I think I still got them. But you can hardly see it, right? So tonight, I'm going to make sure I get a big business card, where I can see it, right? But anyway, the other day in a video, I was talking about the SMS phone leads voice prospecting number being just as good, if not better, than a domain name, right? Because you can have your domain name printed on your business card, right? And look at some of these prices, guys. Well, that's 100. I don't like that. I like that 500. And then there are certain things you can add, to the business card, and it'll cost more. But for the most part, even if you just wanted to start with 100, you could get like 100, and with this 30% off thing going on for like $16. I don't think that's all that great. But it depends on what you want to do inside here. That's really not the point of the video. The point of the video is you can take the SMS phone leads number, right? And you can print it on a business card, right? And you guys already know how some of, if not all of the features inside of the SMS phone leads prospecting system works, right? So now you're talking about having that go to work for you. But and that's just one aspect of branding. But also, guys, these guys do a lot of stuff that I didn't even realize they did, right? They got website, digital marketing stuff up here. They got the design services, right? So you're thinking, right? The creative juices are going through your mind, man. You can't sleep, right? And you're thinking about, really, you're at that point in your business, and you don't have to be at no special point, by the way, but you want to kind of really work on the branding aspect of your business as you roll it out. Or you just want to get an idea of some ideas that you can use to brand yourself for the future, and you just want to keep it in the back of your mind somewhere. Well, these guys got all kinds of marketing and promotional stuff, right? And I even saw t-shirts because that's what I was looking for. Let me see. Okay, look, guys, over here, right? You got clothing, right? But this is all promotional stuff, right? You got bags, right? You got all kinds of stuff that you can use. Now, listen, I'm not talking about going out here spending a fortune, guys, right? I'm talking about when you're first getting started, or even if you've been doing this for a while. You don't have to go ahead and start spending $100, all that. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about you could brand yourself with a 100 pens, right? Like you can go find out where they print pens at. You can go get like 100 pens, I guess, with your logo on it or with your SMS phone leads number on it. You can hand them out to people. You'll be amazed at how effective that stuff worked. When I was in mail order years ago, all I could do when I started off was have flyers printed up, and Kinko's was where I used to go, and I would have flyers printed up all the time, guys. And I'm gonna tell you something. When I really, really started to get better at mail order, guys, my mind was just raced with the ideas, right, in terms of drumming up business, man. And it's a beautiful thing, man. Back then, every day, man, run to the mail. Couldn't wait. I would just wait for the mailman to come, because every day the mailman came, I knew there was going to be some money in the mail, guys. After my business got up and running, it's the same thing with email marketing, guys. You know what I mean? You lay the foundation, you plant the seeds, you'll see the fruit of their labor. I'm talking about branding specifically, and I'm talking about branding specifically with the SMS phone lead system. I'm talking about branding with the SMS phone lead system, or even without it. But because I love the SMS phone lead system so much, that's why I'm talking about it and branding in terms of promotional products that you can use to expand your brand through clothing, through bags, through a coffee mug, through pens, through t-shirts, through business cards. You know what I'm saying? So your mind got to always be in this place where you're just looking for new, innovative, and creative ways to get the word out about your business, to get more clients, to get more customers, to get more sales, more signups for your business. Because look, at the end of the day, that's what we all want to do. You can slice and dice it up any way you want to. You can call it anything you want to. But every day between the time the sun rises and the time the sun sets, your priority, right? Your prime objective is to drum up business for your business, right? That's what your objective is. Now you can do that. I don't care if it's a Facebook ad. I don't care if it's a solo ad. I don't care if you're posting ads in Facebook groups. I don't care if it doesn't matter. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get the word out, right? And so my job, right, as an entrepreneur, and particularly for future entrepreneurs, for people who want to get into email marketing, is to continue to feed, right, provide, right, universal information that you can use to establish, to build, to grow. That's all. That's all. That's what my message is. It's a universal message, right? And now with SMS phone leads, this should be resonating with everybody, right? Because not only can you put the SMS phone leads on business cards like I'm about to do, but you can also put it on T-shirts. Well, I'm not going to put it on. I don't know about if I put it on a T-shirt. I was thinking about the Dialing for Dollars logo on my T-shirt, right? T-shirts with the Dialing for Dollars logo that I'm having created on the T-shirt when I do the videos. But if you think about it, you really could put the number on there too. You could do whatever you want to do, right? Because it's your business. And the more your mind opens up to the level of creativity that you have right at your disposal, because it all derives in your own mind, the more excited you're going to get about it. You got to get excited about it, though, okay? You got to get excited about it. And if you have been in a box, you have to bust the sides down off the box, right? Knock the full corners of the box down, guys, because this ain't about being in the box, right? This is about spotlighting yourself and your business, right? This is about getting out there, rocking and rolling, you know what I'm saying? Making some things happen, right? Thinking larger than life, right? Thinking larger than life. Now, I don't mean, when I say larger than life, I ain't talking about nothing crazy here. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to do anything in a boring kind of way, right? If I'm going to do something, I want to do it in a larger than life fashion. It ain't got nothing to do with making $1 million. It could end up that way. Might end up that way. But it ain't got nothing to do with that, right? Anyway, I'm rambling. Hey, guys, anyway, tonight, that sale is going to end in about 6 hours. So if a business card, I'm going to put this video up as soon as I finish. If business cards are something you're thinking about, and even if business cards were not something you were thinking about, and you already have the SMS phone leads voice prospecting system, then consider getting that number and having that number printed out on a couple of hundred business cards, okay? And then for you guys who are further along in your business, or even if this is something you haven't considered, then consider even other types of ways you can market and advertise your business through promotional clothing, bags, pens, pencils, things like that. Because a lot of this stuff doesn't have to cost a lot of money either, guys. I mean, really. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't. And when I look at the marketing materials and stuff like that, it's just a lot of stuff. Look at brochures. It's a lot of stuff going on inside here, man. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my video. You guys know, as always, I'll always leave the link to the SMS phone lead system in the YouTube video description area, and you guys can pop over there if you haven't picked up your copy. Go down and get it, and consider having some business cards printed up doing that. Okay, it's really, really cool. I think I'm gonna go order them now, and I'm gonna upload this video, so the video will be up by the time you see it. Of course. Hello. Anyway, that's my spiel, guys. Thanks for being on the video, okay? As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.